If John Persinger was gonna walk into the food hall, which we know he will every day, I'd probably make him the Starry Night, which is a tequila cocktail, a little blueberry syrup, floral flavors from the Creme de Violette, a little lime juice and dehydrated lime. Looks perfect in a glass. I think his reaction would be, if he had a first sip of the cocktail, it's probably, I need another one. So he'd take another one, and then he'd probably think, I need another drink. 2 ounces of Blanco tequila. We're using Altos, nice brand. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of Creme de Violette. It's gonna give a nice purple hue, little floral flavor. And last, we're gonna finish it with 3/4 ounce of our fresh blueberry syrup. Dehydrated lime oil. This will be available at the Court in the West Erie Plaza, and it'll also be available in 2021 at the Flagship City Food Hall.